This is Steve Videndra, studying final BGB in Animal College of Engineering, Hosur. Today, I am going to implement a topic, namely design and development of self-navigating technology for rovers Mars terrain. If you see the introduction of this topic, the Mars rover is a vehicle that's been designed to transverse the rugged terrains of Mars and collect samples of various items on Mars surface. Scientists over the years have tried to explore the possibility of life on Mars. Such explorations have been mostly done using rovers. Hence, rovers need to be designed specifically to transverse all kinds of terrains and must be equipped with the state of the art and technology. A common design, if you see the abstract, rovers are often designed with autonomous navigation capabilities. They can analyze the surrounding terrain in real time and make decisions to navigate around obstacles without direct human intervention. The system control for both the rover as well as the robotic arm is done using microcontrollers and microprocessors such as Arduino, Intel NUC and Raspberry Pi. Inspired from a nature, the reflex mechanism has also been integrated into the rover design to minimize damage by automated safety reflexes. The arm is so designed to switch between three different hand effectors depending upon the task to be performed. Next, if you see the problem identification, it is mainly developed for the autonomous navigation systems to reduce the reliance on human operators for remote rover control and enhance operational efficiency in the challenging environments. You see the black diagram, it consists of Arduino UNO, which will be directly connected to motor driver. The motor driver has 4 motors interconnected each other. The each voltage will be 6 volt and 12 volt motors, and it mainly consists of ultrasonic sensor which is used to detect the motion, which is used to detect the object and any motion detectors, and which consists of DHT11 sensor, namely that which is used for the humidity measurements in the atmosphere, and it mainly consists of 2 major sensors of namely atmospheric pressure sensor and atmospheric water content measurement sensors, which is used to measure the atmospheric pressure in the Mars terrains and also the water content availability in the land surface, and it mainly has the 2 driver circuits which is used for the measurement process. And this is about the design and development of self-navigating rover technology in the Mars terrains. Thank you.